Hi guys,
I will.
that's amazing. I'll find five
No,
because-
numbers.
numbers
And you're going to put the numbers here, there.
because I was going to win.
You're going to win a star?
Yeah.
Okay, finish the activity, okay? Get the card na here. Get your card. And find the number. What? Oh, wait, show here. What number is that?
5.
Oh, put it there nga. Where's the number 5 there? Can you count?
This one.
Oh, can you count?
3, 4, 5.
What's that?
5.
5? 5?
5 balloons.
Yeah, okay. Go, get.
Next.
Next. Put it. Iwan mo na dyan. Iwan mo na
Leave it
dun.
there.
Yeah, okay. Go. Next, get number.
6.
Oh, 6. Can you find number 6 there?
6 centimeters.
Oh, can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow, very good. How about, can you pick another one? Oh, what's that?
Number 10.
Oh,
It's
Yes.
number 10 here.
oh. Paano mo laman tayo niyan? Can you count muna?
1, 2,
What's that?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
What's that?
10.
10, ano? 10 what?
10 green. 10 green. 10 rainbow.
Ribbon.
Rainbows.
Ribbon.
Rainbow.
Ribbon.
Rainbow.
Okay, go. Next. Get another one here. Get a card. Number card.
Hey.
Oh, what's that? Oh, show mo sa camera. Show mo here. What
Number
is that?
2.
Okay, go. Can you find a number 2?
Over there.
Oh, there. What's that? What's that?
Numbers 1, 2.
Oh, what's that? What's the 2? What is that?
2
What's that thing?
is carrot.
Carrot. Okay. Oh, baliktad yun to mo. Can you fix?
Wow, what?
Can you fix the number 2?
Flip it. Flip it.
Flip. Flip to. Yan. Okay na?
Flip.
Bantad talaga. Okay, get another number. Number card. Go. Oh, what's that? Show mo nga sa camera.
3. Where's number 3?
Can you find?
There's a 3
Oh,
here.
there. Oh, what's that 3?
Cloud.
Clouds. Okay, count. Count it.
1, 2, 3.
Yes. Oh, get another card. Go. Go. Oh, show mo. Show mo kay
Number
teacher.
4.
What number?
4.
4. Can you find the 4? Uy, what's that?
4.
4, ano? 4 what?
4 stars.
Yes, 4 star. Oh, may sayo pa. Oh, go. Get another card. Number card. What's that?
7.
What's the 7?
7 feathers.
Ooh. Can you count kung 7 nga yan?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, 7 mo. Oh, get the card again. Oh, show mo muna. Show mo muna.
8.
It's a number.
Candy.
Number. It's a number.
8.
Sure ka? 8 yan? Count mo nga.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, very good.
8 candy.
Dance. Okay, next card. Get a card.
Number 9.
Oh, show mo muna. Show.
Number 9.
Oh, can you find a number 9?
We are there.
Oh, what's that?
Number 9.
What's that 9? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
What's that? It's a
12,
thread.
13,
Yeah. Okay, last number. Oh, show. What number is that?
1. It's for a dog in here.
Oh, there's a duck. Whoa.
Dog.
Oh, done na? Whoa. Oh, dance. Here. Oh, wala naman sinabing sasayaw eh.